Okay, we're making this video because we think it's funny that our dog's scared of the vacuum. So
yeah, he's a weirdo.
Starring Dozer, the cute little dog right in front of you. Now, the action starts.
Okay, watch that. That's way funny. Well, that was my dog. He was so funny.
Hold on, okay. Good boy, Dozer. Lick the camera. Lick the camera. Come on, lick the camera.
Oh yeah.
Lick the camera. Lick the camera. Oh, good boy. Starring Delaney, the audience, and Crash, the audience too, and I'm the vacuum cleaner, Ninja Cameron. And Dozer, we should give him a big thanks for this video. Please subscribe.